Happy fall, y'all. So welcome back to another episode of Grandma Lou's. We're going to cook up a quick vegan chorizo dip. And I'm excited because, it's fall season, it's football season, it's the holiday season, and we're actually going to do something really quick. So today's star is actually going to be a soy chorizo. And I have it actually cooking in my back pan here. It's heating in 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. And it's a packaging at your local grocery store that you can find. This brand is Chorizo that I bought, and it's by the El Burrito Mexican food products. But even I know Tofurkey, they also have a brand, or they're the brand that also has a vegan chorizo. And then in our other pot, we're just going to heat up a can of rotel, which is diced tomatoes and green chilies. And while that's heating, we're going to add a bag of Daya Mexican blend. And if you remember some of my other recipes, it does melt just like dairy. So while those two are cooking, we're just going to take a quick break and come back. So you can see that the cheese is really melting really nicely with the rotel tomatoes and green chilies. And just like the package says, it melts like real cheese. And so now that we have our cheese and tomatoes melted, we're going to add some chorizo, about half of the chorizo in. And we'll let the other continue browning so that it'll be like a nice topping on top of the queso. And then we'll just stir this up. And we got us a nice vegan queso chorizo dip. Can't wait to taste it. Okay, so we're back. So the cheese, the Daya cheese, and the green tomatoes have finished mixing, and the cheese is melted. We added some of the soy chorizo, and look at that. Look at that cheese. And then we have some chorizo that we finished cooking on so that it'll be a little topper. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. This is a really good dip. Something good for the holidays. And we're gonna just put some green onions on top. And you have a nice vegan queso. So now for the taste test. And it smells so good. I say that every time. I just love how the fresh veggies smell, the aroma that you get in the house. And just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou's.